Welcome to the Motorcycle TV. Yamaha launched this NMAX series in Brazil, the NMAX 160 Star Wars in two versions. Both cost $14,390 and have ABS brakes as standard. Star Wars fans who are keeping an eye on the Yamaha NMAX 160 scooter get a dedicated option. The Japanese manufacturer this week started selling the NMAX 160 Star Wars version, a special series with 680 units, equally divided into 340 units with painting based on the Rebel Alliance or the Galactic Empire. The bike can be ordered on the Yamaha website or at dealerships, with a deposit of $1,000. Despite the graphics inspired by Star Wars, NMAX continues with the same mechanical set seen in the traditional option. The one-cylinder engine generates a maximum power of 15.1 horsepower at 8,000 revolutions per minute and a maximum torque of 1.47 kilograms force at 6,000 revolutions per minute. It was thinking of the beginner users, as well as fans of the saga who are already motorcyclists, that the Yamaha NMAX 160 ABS scooter was chosen to represent the sides of strength and endurance through the graphics inspired by the Star Wars ships and the reinforcement of the model's attributes. Modern design, highest power in the category, powerful and safe braking with ABS on both wheels, LED headlights, 100% digital panel, storage compartment and the best warranty in its segment, 4 years. NMAX Galactic Empire, in black, was inspired by the TIE Fighter, an unmistakable symbol of the Empire. The NMAX Alianca Rebel Day, in white, intentionally brings graphics with a slight wear aspect, reminiscent of the typical failures of Star Wars ships, and